Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming with chapter 18. We are going to learn about the life of Donald Trump. This will be a simple and easy to understand biography, perfect for practicing your English listening. Let's get started. Donald Trump was born on June 14, 1946 in Queens, a part of New York City. His full name is Donald John Trump. He was born into a big family. His father's name was Fred Trump and he was a very successful businessman who built business in New York. Donald's mother's name was Mary McLeod Trump and she was from Scotland. Donald Trump had four siblings. He was the fourth child in the family. His siblings were Marion, Fred Jr., Elizabeth, and Robert. Donald was raised in a wealthy family, but he was also though to work hard. Donald Trump went to a New Forest school. He was young. Later, he went to a military academy called New York Academy. He went there because his father thought it would teach him discipline and help him become a strong person. After that, Donald went to Fordham University in New York for 2 years. Then he transferred to Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, which is a very famous school. He graduated with a degree in economics in 1968. After finishing school, Donald Trump started working for his father's business called the Trump Organization. He was given the job of the running the business and building new things. Donald's father had already made a lot of money by building houses, so Donald took that money and expanded the business. In the 1970s, Donald Trump began working on his big project. In 2020, Donald Trump ran for a second term as president. He faced Joe Biden, a former vice president. Donald Trump worked hard, but Joe Biden won the election. After the election, Donald Trump and his supporters believed the election was unfair. Even though there was no evidence of cheating, it was a very serious and difficult time for the country. On January 20, 2021, Donald Trump left the White House. After leaving office, Donald Trump went back to his business life. He still owns many buildings, golf courses, and hotels. Even though he is no longer president, he still has a lot of people who support him. But in 2024, Donald Trump again won the election and elected president of United States. His life has been full of ups and downs, from starting with nothing to becoming one of the most famous people in the world. No matter what people think about him, Donald Trump is always in the news. He has been a businessman, a TV star, and the President of the United States. He is a person who never gave up on his dreams, no matter how many challenges he faced. His story knows that with hard work and confidence, it is possible to achieve great things. Even after losing an election, he continues to influence the world. So guys, now story has been finished, but by this story you will understand that if you will do work hard, then no one can stop you, and if you determine that you want to learn spoke English and as well as written English, so that no one will stop you if you will do hard work. So guys, thank you so much. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.